May 15th is the deadline to file the most important protest you've ever filed, and that's the one with your appraisal district. Every county's got an appraisal district, and they're the ones that send you that love letter every year telling you that your property is worth oh so much more, even though you haven't improved the property, you haven't been paid more, but they think your property is worth oh so much more. And if you don't file the protest, you don't get that tax bill discounted. Now, you know who's getting their tax bill discounted? The people who file protests, and it's mostly big companies and very, very wealthy people who know how to do that. And I'll tell you, their protests are paid by the people who don't file their protest by May 15th. Don't be one of those people. Get your discount. Call us, contact us if you want a free step-by-step guide on how to save that money and not be one of the people that's paying full fare on unfair taxes. My name is Manny Pelaez. I'm with the Stormlex Group. Happy to help you.